As Oregon works towards reopening, Multnomah, Clackamas, and Washington counties are making progress. One of their biggest barriers, contact tracing.
You can go from a few cases exponentially to a very large number of cases incredibly rapidly. This disease is infectious in a way that's really tricky for us.
Tuesday morning, Multnomah and Clackamas County commissioners met virtually in their respective counties for an update. In Multnomah County, they're working to add more workers to meet the governor's required 15 contact tracers per 100,000 people. Right now, they have 14 full-time and 36 part-time staff. The goal? To have around 130 people.
So I do think it makes sense that with this disease, especially with how fast it spreads, we do need more of that capacity in place and built up.
In Clackamas County, they've increased their contact tracers from 7 to now 25. They're working to hire more, including recruiting from local medical and nursing schools.
You can imagine leading an organization where you have processes in place for 6 to 8 staff, then up to 25 right now, and then building that out. It just becomes very complicated, and we need to make sure that the work we're performing is of quality.
Counties are also focused on being able to handle an increase in cases once they do reopen.
And as we open up, we will see more cases, so we want to make sure our communities are prepared for that and understand that.
Another factor for both Multnomah and Clackamas, supply of personal protective equipment. Right now, Multnomah is close to their goals. They say hospitals have an adequate supply. Where they're lacking is with first responders. It's similar for Clackamas.
This has been an ongoing concern to make sure that healthcare providers and our first responders have what they need, especially those that are serving our most vulnerable populations.
Meanwhile, Washington County announced Tuesday their Board of Commissioners approved a reopening plan, following the 7 criteria set by Governor Brown. They've approved a plan, but stress the board approval does not mean the county is ready to apply for Phase 1 of the governor's reopening plan. The 3 counties aim to be able to enter Phase 1 reopening by early to mid-June. Brittany Folkers, KGW News.